Things you need. Ingredients are listed down below. Start by cutting your onion. I love this kitchen tool. It makes cooking prep a breeze. Next, we get some garlic, ready to mince. Turn on the stove to low to medium heat. I put my stove on 3. Add a tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add your chopped onion and minced garlic. And saute until they become opaque. Here, I added 2 tablespoons of Haitian epis. This is optional, but I like my food packed with flavor. If you would like a video on how I make my Haitian epis, let me know in the comments below. Here I am adding 2 packages of ground turkey, but you could add the ground meat of your choice. Make sure to follow the cooking instructions on the package. Put the stove on medium heat. Mix everything together. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix. Add another 1/4 cup of water and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of each of these spices. All-purpose seasoning. Ground cumin. Cayenne pepper. Ground chipotle. Chili powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. Thyme. Mix all together. Add in 1 cup of tomato sauce of your choice. I also add a splash of water to get the rest of the tomato sauce from the jar. Cover and allow to cook according to the package instructions. Next, rinse off a can of black beans. In a separate pan, add a teaspoon of oil. Put stove on 3, low to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of Haitian epis. Mix together. Add in the black beans and mix. Add in frozen whole kernel corn. Mix and cook according to direction time on the package. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're gonna make the Pico di Gallo. Make sure to rinse all of these off. For this we need half an onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno. We're gonna dice each of these up. Depending on your spice tolerance, you could remove some or all of the seeds in the middle of the jalapeno to make it less spicy. Time to add some spices. 1/8 teaspoon of cilantro, pink Himalayan salt, ground cumin, complete seasoning, some lemon juice, Mix all together. I added 1/4 teaspoon, more of each seasoning, according to my taste. This is everything. I'll be adding on my street turkey wrap, starting with flour tortillas, spinach, black beans and corn, guacamole salsa, ground turkey, pico de gallo, sour cream and shredded cheese. Now it's time to fold and create into a masterpiece.
Bon appétit!
Follow me on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram, link in bio. Thank you for watching.